Power Play.
3D XMV Radio Cigar 11.3 FM. You're listening on DXMB Radio Cigar 11.3 FM. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our program. Oras para sa Pilipinas, alas 11:30. Trusted, granted radio station. Your music, your style. 11.3 FM Radio Cigar. Hi, welcome back again. This is your DJ Andro to give you a funniest and dramatic moment. So don't skip, everyone. Listen to me. Oh, another day, another problem that we face. But don't you worry, the Radio Cigar is make your day happy. This program is brought to you by Jeep3, Job Enabling English Proficiency for the final requirements. Let's begin the drama. This is the radio drama, Trouble in the Fairway.
Port departure, Tagbantay. This is MB Wanderer, casting off from Berth 3, requesting assistance with maneuver into the channel, over.
MV Wanderer, this is Tagbantay. Stand by. Ready to tow on your port bow. Over.
Tagbantay, Roger. Helm standby engine. All station man for departure.
Standby engine. All station manned. Aye, sir.
Tagbantay, commence push on port bow. Slow ahead, over.
Copy, sir.
This is MV Wanderer, transiting the fairway, position 10 degrees north, 124 degrees east, visibility reduced due to fog, over.
Sir, shallow water alarm sounding. Sir, drop is exceeding charted depth.
Helm, hard eye starboard, full astern on engines.
Hard starboard, full astern. Aye, sir. Turning effect of propeller is minimal.
Mayday. This is 211239680 motor vessel Wanderer. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 10 degrees north, 124 degrees east. Again, this is 211239680 motor vessel Wanderer. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 10 degrees north, 124 degrees east. We are aground in the fairway due to possible navigation error. Request immediate assistance, over.
Motor vessel Wanderer, this is Coast Guard Cutter Panglao. We are responding to your mayday. What is your maximum percent drop and current situation? Over.
Coast Guard Panglao, this is MV Wanderer. Maximum present drop is 8 meters. We are on his part listing slightly to port, requesting immediate interrogation of channel depth and possible tow assistance. Again, our maximum present drop is 8 meters. We are on his part listing slightly to port, requesting immediate interrogation of channel depth and possible tow assistance. Over.
Motor Vessel Wanderer, Roger, Roger. We are on scene. Stand by for assessment of situation. Prepared to be boarded. Over.
Coast Guard Panglao, Wilco, standing to be boarded. Helm, prepare pilot card and maneuvering data for Coast Guard inspection. Over to helm.
Pilot card and maneuvering data ready for inspection. Aye, sir.
Guard Panglao, this is MV Wanderer, ready for inspection. Over.
This program is brought to you by Jeep 3 Final Requirements. And then, thank you for listening on DXMB Radio Cigar 11.3 FM.